Unforgettable Chicago. Eight must-do experiences that will leave you in awe. Visit Millennium Park. Explore the iconic Cloud Gate sculpture, known as the Beam, and enjoy live performances, exhibitions, and beautiful landscapes. Take a stroll along Navy Pier. Experience stunning lake views, indulge in delicious food, ride the Ferris wheel, and enjoy the various attractions and entertainment options. Explore the Art Institute of Chicago. Discover one of the oldest and largest art museums in the United States, housing a vast collection of artistic masterpieces from around the world. Aquarium. Get up close and personal with marine life, including dolphins, sharks, penguins, and sea turtles, at this renowned aquatic attraction. Cheer for the Cubs at Wrigley Field. Catch a baseball game at the historic Wrigley Field, home to the Chicago Cubs, and soak up the energetic atmosphere. Take an architectural boat tour. Cruise along the Chicago downtown river to admire the city's stunning architecture while learning about its rich history and iconic buildings. Wander through Grant Park. Explore the front yard of Chicago, known for its green spaces, gardens, and landmarks like Buckingham Fountain and the museum campus. Enjoy the Skyline from Skydeck Chicago. Take an elevator ride to the top of Willis Tower and step out onto the glass-floored Skydeck, offering breathtaking views of the city. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.